In this task, we're going to refactor our reservation form. So open F, Views, Reservations, and Form. Right, so first, I'm going to separate this thing. And let's create a new row. Alright, so inside the row, I'm going to create 2 columns. Okay, so the first column, I'm going to say check-in. It's just a label. And then we're moving this start date into here. Now for the start date, I'm going to say read only to be true. And for the placeholder, we're going to say start date. Yep, and we're going to do the same thing for the second column. And this one should be check out. I'll just remove this and change this one to the end date. And for this, we're going to say disabled to be true. Now here we can use a single quote. You can use a double quote as well, but I just want to make sure it's consistent with others. Alright, save it. Now here we're going to use another hidden field. So I'll just copy this one, and our third hidden field is total. And for total, I'm going to say the ID should be reservation total. Next, we're going to create a table to display how many days that you booked based on the start date and end date. And also, we want to display the total amount that you have to pay for that. So in here, I'm going to create a new div, and we're going to say the ID is preview. Now we're going to create a new header, and this header, let's create a new span. And for the span, we're going to say message. We're going to use this span in next session, but for now we just keep it blank. Now we're going to create a new table, and well, for that table we're going to say the class would be reservation table. We don't have this class yet, but we're going to create in a bit. Now tbody, so we're going to get a new row, and we're going to create 2 columns in this table. Days, and the other one, now let's say a span, and this span we say ID equal reservation days. Copy this because we're going to create another row. Alright, so for the first column we'll say total, and the second column, the ID is reservation sum. I'm going to move this button into here. Save it. Now it's time to create our class for reservation table. So under F, access, open style sheet and application.scls. In here we're going to create a new style. Alright, so we're going to create a class name reservation table, and we do that for the TD tag. So I'm just type TD. Now here we want to say the width would be 100%, and we're going to create the border 1 pixel solid, and this color and for the padding, we're going to say 10 pixel. Alright, so top, bottom, left, and right are on 10 pixel. Now save it. Now restart the server and open the web browser. Go to the room 1. If we scroll a bit down, and now you can see that we got to check in, check out. We got to start it. Alright, but if you click on the end date, there's nothing happen. It's because we set the end date is disabled. The reason for that is when user first load the web page, we want user to select the start date first and then the end date. Now also in the first place, we don't want to display this table here. We only display it once user select the correct date range. If they correct the start date and end date correctly, and we're going to display how many days, and we will calculate the total amount of money they have to pay for that days. So we're going to hide this table. To our project, open the form. We're going to do that very easily. So in the table, we're going to use, in the div actually. Now we're setting style. And very easy, we're going to say display none. And because see that div cover the whole thing. So if you say style div none, that means the whole div would be hidden. And that means we're going to hide everything inside that div. Simple as that. Oh, sorry. Here we got this button need to be out of this div. That's it. Now refresh the web browser. And as you can see, we're no longer to see that table again. Alright, so that's it for this session, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next challenge where we're working with the Ajax and the Rails.